I already showed you beds 2, 3, and 4, but here in bed 1 we have carrots, beets, and herbs. We left a 6-inch border around this bed with a variety of herbs such as dill, rosemary, cilantro, parsley, and sage. There's also some volunteer plants like red lettuce, chives, and clover, which was a fun surprise. In April, I direct sowed a bunch of yellow, orange, and purple carrots, as well as red and yellow beets. These were all succession planted 3 weeks apart. The beets and carrots have been growing beautifully, but this past week we had a heat wave that caused a few of the carrots to start bolting. The weather has been really unstable this spring in Zone 7, so I'm hoping these root veggies can hold out until early July for harvesting. Now above this bed we have another cattle panel trellis with delicata squash on one side and cucumbers on the other. So far, 3 of 6 delicatas sprouted, and like the butternuts and watermelons, these were just planted, so it's going to take all summer before we'll harvest from them. There's 5 Market More cucumbers on the opposite side that I transplanted from a nursery because the roly-polies ate all of the plants I direct sowed. I'm companion planting nasturtium and calendula with both the squash and the cucumbers. And then we have the other side of that 40-foot bed I told y'all about in part 2. In here I have a large patch of reseeded calendula that's getting ready to bloom and a large patch of second-year sage that's flowering. Over here I also planted 1 eggplant, 2 yellow squash, 2 green squash, and 3 bush beans. Just yesterday, I found a squash vine borer in the garden, so I have to start manually checking my squash plants for eggs and larvae over the next couple weeks. The final thing I have to show y'all is our many medicinal and culinary herbs, so let's check that out in part 5 coming up.